Welcome back to my channel, y'all. And today we are going to be doing the best pizzeria style pizza, and we are making our dough from scratch with some delicious toppings, and it's going to be easy, y'all. Let's go. So I'm starting with some double O flour. So there are different kinds, but this is a special flour made especially for like New York style pizzas. And then I'm also going to have a packet of active dry yeast, salt, olive oil, sugar, and some warm water. So make sure that your water is 110 degrees or else it will kill your yeast, okay? So we're gonna bloom our yeast as usual, and so just add everything together in the bowl, and then I'm just gonna give that a quick little swish and get that all mixed up, and then I'm gonna cover that for about 10 minutes. And so I'm gonna add 1 cup of flour and then into my stand mixer because I'm lazy, y'all. I'm gonna let the mixer do all the work for me. And so while that's going, I'm just going to add in and incorporate the flour like half a cup to 1 cup at a time. So just want to make sure that everything gets mixed in. You don't want to have a clump, so you should have a nice sticky dough. If your dough ain't sticky, it's not gonna work, you guys. So just gonna toss it into a bowl with a little bit of olive oil, and I'm actually gonna put this into the refrigerator overnight. Okay, totally optional, but if you are going to cook it same day, it has to rise for at least an hour. But I am going to do the traditional pizzeria style, so into the refrigerator goes. So I have some pizza sauce that I took out of the freezer. This is my recipe. I will have that in the description. Some sausage and my favorite cup pepperoni. And then I just had a red onion. And then as you can see, the dough excuse me, y'all. It did a slow rise in the refrigerator and has doubled in size. So I am just going to punch the air out of that dough and then toss it onto a lightly floured surface. And then this is enough dough to make 2 medium or 10-inch pizzas. So I'm just going to press it out, not on camera because, and I know this is like absolutely a no-no using a rolling pin, but y'all, I can't. I don't know how. I just do it the way I've always done it. So y'all bear with me. So onto my pizza screen, which is the best for cooking pizza in my opinion. I have a stone, I have a pizza sheet. It just, you know, it's the screen for me. So while I dress this pizza, go ahead and use this opportunity, if you have not already, to click that subscribe button. And thank y'all so much for those who have already subscribed and shown your support, especially watching the full video and giving the videos a thumbs up and all of the comments. I appreciate you guys so much. And shout out to my fellow creators. So into the oven it goes, and out it comes, and look at that. And so I'm just giving the crust a little brush with some garlic and parsley. So on the ranch, I am doing a homemade, and I will have all of these ingredients listed in the description along with the measurements, and you can adjust them as you see fit. And I also have this black garlic that I'm going to try today just to test it out, and it turned out pretty good. But one thing that I think I would have added and did off camera is add some sour cream. Okay, you want to have a little bit of thickness, and it just gives it a better flavor. So I'm just gonna mix this all up, and you can go heavy on the parsley. The other one, like dill and the chives, you don't want to go too heavy, and I know you're trying to achieve color. Go heavy on the parsley if that's your goal. And then again, you can just adjust stuff. You see I just throw stuff into a bowl, and you know, it's super good. I mean, homemade ranch is the best, you guys. So I'm gonna just wrap that up and put it in the refrigerator. And I did my second dough. I did a sausage and onions, and then we got that homemade ranch. It's so delicious, you guys. And I just cannot wait to show you guys. Wait till you see the bottom of this crust, you guys. Listen, making your dough from scratch, look at that. Look at how lovely that is. I love a good dough, you guys. So good. Hope you guys try this out. Also, hit that notification bell so that when I post a new video, you'll be the first to know. And don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And remember, new recipes every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And for those who are new to my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you next time in my new video. Bye, y'all.